very good afternoon to one and all. Let me at the outset congratulate the present alumni body for organizing such a grand get together. But the only discrepancy that was prevailing among our alumni members was either the short notice or either the festival clash or the month's first day when everyone will be busy with their payrolls. So anyway, I am also happy to share my presence over here. Let me at the outset give my brief CV in a small nutshell. That I belong to the biochemistry group of the second batch 92 to 95. Then later on joined this college as a faculty member in the year 97 and worked until now. Recently I moved on to another group where presently I am heading the Department of Human Resources, SRDG Schools, Hyderabad. On behalf of all the Alumni Association, all the members, I would like to share my views with the present alumni team also, that those who are members let them get a membership number and a membership card. In a small shops if we go, they are getting the privilege cards. My students whom I taught in the PG levels, they enrolled in the alumni and they are asking me, sir, my membership number enta, what can I tell? So unless and until we gather in such functions, we cannot tell what are the practical problems we are going to face. So I request the present alumni board of members to just allot a small number and share all the connectivity with everyone, whoever is there. And I would still make I am speaking not on my own, I am speaking on behalf of everyone with who has been sharing their views with me, telling that please give us a brief profile of the membership details with us. Then not only this one, what is the future vision of this particular association? They were citing many examples giving like, sir, there are some alumni of NIT, they celebrate on a very great in an occasion manner. We would also make to this. I just conveyed them, yes, it all happens with the unity of us and if we all unite together. So this is some of the alumni's presentations which they made me, which I am sharing with you all. So I hope the present president, vice president, the secretary, the treasurer and the supporting members, please don't be afraid or tense that we are very few in number. Everywhere we have our alumni. Only thing is we need to go to them or we need our recognition so that they recognize us and join their hands. As in the brief remarks being presented by the present president and the secretary, that our members are so and so. How to reach them? Please openly convey all our members in an assurance manner. Yes, we are with you. We will definitely help you. You reach up to them via alumni association. So this is a very good initiation taken. So hope our secretary sir was also saying that in every place I am planning to make a chapter and I need representatives and wholehearted and dedicated working members like who are working presently. So in this context, I on behalf of alumni also convey that we are ready to render our services and the dedicated efforts. The college which helped us to come up to that position, definitely our services are with us. So without taking much of the time, I convey my thanks for the organizer for giving me this valuable opportunity. Thank you.
Ajin sir, thank you very much for accepting our request, and as you have been helping since long time as you have been part of the alumni till last year as Vice President, and definitely sir, we'll try to chop out all the problems whatever you have mentioned. And lastly, I request Sweta, Sweta, to come on the dais and share her views.
Honorable dignitary members, honored dais, and alumni members. I especially would like to thank all the alumni members for inviting all our batchmates, seniors, and all to this fantabulous place. Rather than calling this as a place of knowledge, I would like to call it as an abode. I was a student of this college from 2006 to 2011. I have joined here as an ordinary student of mathematics, electronics and computer science. But after 2009, after passing out from this college, I was placed into Computer Sciences Corporation, CSC, Hyderabad. And within a short span of 6 months, my life entirely changed, wherein I have been sent to United States of America for training from my organization, and I have received many medals and awards from my organization. I have been the topper of key result area, and I have been the panel member of Global Academic Research Scholars of my organization. And I would like to say you that I feel very proud because we have only 3 people from India in that panel, and one belongs to IIT Kharagpur and one belongs to BITS Pilani, Rajasthan, and the third person, me, belonging to Chaitanya Degree and PG College. I was the key result area topper of Computer Sciences Corporation with 99.5 percentile, and the earlier percentile was in 1972 of that company. I could say that is only because of the discipline what I learned from this place. I render all my credits of success and all to my godfather, what I would like to say, because I always treated him as a godfather, because my parents gave me birth, but Dr. C.P. Reddy sir gave me life to my knowledge and gave me life, in fact. My dear friends, as a gratitude, what I would like to say to my alumni members and my friends, seniors and all the people over here, I would like to make my idea from my side. I am preparing for Indian Administrative Service, and on this behalf, I would like to take the privilege of conveying a message to the alumni president and all the members here. Sir, why don't you start a special group or community as we have started as Chaitanya College in Facebook? Why don't we start a civil aspirants club or anything, so that what my idea was, every year at least 1 or 2 should be in administrative side, not only in our country but others, so that we spread this discipline all over India, so that our India will be punctual, which is not today. And for the same, I would like to request the alumni president to start a club or at least a communication cell wherein we get the information of different various competitive examinations of state governments, central governments and all, so that it will be helpful to our students. Thank you. Thank you very much.
ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వరకు నేను తెలుగు మీడియం, ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలో జాయిన్ అయినందుకు భయపడి 3 ఇయర్స్లో 3 మంత్స్ కూడా కాలేజ్కు అటెండ్ కాలేకపోయినటువంటి ఒక స్టూడెంట్. నన్ను నా సీనియర్స్ కానీ జూనియర్స్ కానీ గుర్తించాలంటే నేను పాట పాడితే గుర్తుపడతారేమో. ఈ పాట విషయం చెప్పాలి అంటే మాకు మన గౌరవ పురుషోత్తం రెడ్డి గారు పాటల విషయంలో ఎంత ప్రోత్సాహం ఇచ్చిందంటే, మేము విజయవాడకి సృజనోత్సవ ప్రోగ్రాంకి వెళ్ళడానికి పూర్తిగా ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ మేము ఉన్నటువంటి 3 years సారు డబ్బులు ఇచ్చి మీరు వెళ్ళి దాదాపు ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ మేము ఒక 50 మెంబర్స్ని అక్కడికి పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం వెళ్ళేది. ఇలాంటి ఎన్నో విషయాలలో సార్ చాలా ప్రోత్సాహం ఇచ్చారు. పోతున్న కలలోన పొడగట్టు రాముడే రావయ్య మత్కావ్య రమ్య ఫలమా జయదేవ కవిరాజ జయదీతి ఫలమైన కృష్ణయ్య రావయ్య కీర్తి గరిమా పదకవిత్వాచార్య పదమందు ముదమందు వెంకన్న రావయ్య విధతవరమా రాయలీరమనుడై రహిభోజుడై రావయ్య రావయ్య రసకలశమా ఇట్టి నీకన్న అర్హులింకెవ్వరయ్య అక్షరానందరసమిరుద్రాభిషేకమనగా నీకంకితము చేతుననగా నీకంకితము చేతుననగా పదక విద్వాచార్య అన్నమా. నేను పాటలు రాయడానికి పాటలు పాడడానికి ఎంతో ప్రోత్సాహం ఇచ్చినటువంటి మన గౌరవ పురుషోత్తం రెడ్డి గారిని నేను నా జీవితంలో గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటాను. ఇది తెల్లవారితే దీపావళి, ఇంటి దగ్గర నుంచి బయటప్పుడు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తున్నారని అడిగారు. అంటే మేము చదువుకున్న డిగ్రీ కాలేజీలో అందరూ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కలుసుకునే ఒక ప్రోగ్రాం పెట్టారు. రేపు పండగ కదా, చాలా పనులు ఉన్నాయి. పండగ రేపు అది ఈరోజు వచ్చేసింది. ఎందుకంటే దీపావళి అనేది ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ జరుపుకోవచ్చు, కానీ ఇంతమంది ఫ్రెండ్స్ని కలుసుకునే అదృష్టం కలిగినటువంటి టీం అందరికీ కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
అందరూ అయ్యండి. A very good afternoon to one and all.
మరి ఎవరితో ఆడియన్స్ చేయాలా? నీకేమన్నా
Very good afternoon. My personal experiences that learning, unlearning and relearning, and also I thank all the alumni association members for organizing such a gathering so that we can interact, we can share our views. And at last, I request the alumni members and also we can recollect our memories in this college and express our views. Thank you.
Like kings, but without a kingmaker, how can we become kings? And the kingmaker is none other than our chairman of Chaitanya Degree College, Dr. C.J. Purushottam Reddy sir. He provided us everything. He provided good infrastructure and faculty and good environment. For that, I am very thankful and grateful to you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Inviting the chairperson.
And co-chairmen, E. Vikram Reddy and Sarthika Reddy, and esteemed president of our society, Suvarna Devi, all my students, ex-students as well as alumni members, wholeheartedly welcome you all for this meeting. And today is Diwali, you know well. So I wish you all happy Diwali. I'm really very happy because today in the morning, because all my students from the beginning, because we have started this institution in 1991, I know, you know very well. At that time there are very few institutions, only 6 institutions were grown, out of which very few are now sustained. And among all the institutions, we are in now number 1 position, you know very well. And we are very proud for that. So our success is really because of all, not only because of CFC, Purushottam Reddy or anybody like me. So whatever the success today, that is all because of my staff, my students, my ex-students, alumni members, whoever. Today whatever the publicity now coming to our institution because of all, not only alone. Whatever efforts we are doing here because of your satisfaction. Suppose if you are not satisfied anything, you cannot tell anything about us. Today all the many students are taking admission in our institution. That's the greatest news. Several success stories they said, since the last few years, for example, you take that Wipro company is continuously visiting our college. They are choosing our students only. And they are conducting their interviews in our campus. But large number of students, among all Warangal students, large number of students are selected from our college. For example, if you take that in 2011, there are about 76 students got selected for Wipro company. Can you expect how many students are from Chaitanya College out of 76? Can you expect out of 76 how many students from Chaitanya College? Anybody? Ex-students? Tell me. Nobody knows. But this wonder is that out of 76, 60 from Chaitanya College. 60 from Chaitanya College. Similarly, during last academic year, 14 students got selected, out of which 9 are from Chaitanya College. There is no example I am telling you. Just 3 days back, on 30th of this month, the November, 5 students got selected in Wipro. Can you expect how many are from Chaitanya College? 4 from Chaitanya College, 1 from Bombay College. That's the greatest news of Chaitanya. So whatever is success today, we are very proud because all alumni students, they know very well while taking admission in Chaitanya, and they are immediately coming to campus. What they are feeling is, do you know, I asked them one question, do you know what is the system of Chaitanya? Sir, I know. How? Because your old student told me about all these things. That's the importance of the Chaitanya. And once they come to college, their body language will be different. Because they know very well because of our old students. Those who are already passed from our college, they were employed in best companies, I know that. They have a lot of growth in their companies, they are earning lakhs of rupees, I know. But besides that, they are working very well, they are in favor of our institution. They are not forgetting our institution, that's the greatest place. So we want to have this type of meetings in everywhere, every year. But unfortunately, our alumni students are not so active, I can tell you that. That's the only remark from all our students. Since last 3 years, I am asking Mr. Rajiv, why don't we have our meeting at Hyderabad? So far it is not successful. So we can have our own chapters in different places in Hyderabad, in US. New York, there is one new chapter is there from our Chaitanya. Mr. Ramchandramurthy is taking up that chapter. Mr. Surendra Nath is also taking care of one chapter there in US, in Virginia. So there are several students are trying to make some chapters there, and this time we are going to just have such meetings there in US also. Because I will meet every year in summer, whenever we have holidays, we go to the US, and there this time we are going to have the meetings with our alumni students also. The next point, I am very happy that our old students, they are trying to push our old students to join in their own companies. That's the greatest news. We are not asking any contribution for doing all these things. Because wherever the alumni meeting is there, in any university, they will ask several donations like, for this, constructing this building, constructing this room or anything, they will ask the donations. But here we don't want to ask any contributions or any donations for the alumni association. But only my request is that we have to keep it alive. We will have regular meetings like this. Here, whoever come here, I know that they are from 91 batch. So now they are interacting together, and at the same time we are now interacting with all the students. That's the best opportunity for us. Thankful to the students who are really alumni students, alumni members. They are accommodating our students. Mr. Chandu, everybody knows SR institutions. Majority of our own students joined in his organization. Like that, Mr. Murthy is working in Lady Labs. He is also trying to accommodate our own students in Lady Labs. Mr. Sridhar, working in HDFC Bank. A number of students got selected because of him. And Chandrasekhar, Mr. Chandrasekhar, biological events, is working in biological events. He also trying to accommodate some students in their company. Mr. Chandrasekhar, who is working in revenue department and in contact basis, he is also trying with contact with our students as well as our parents, and he is trying to issue some Aadhaar cards to our students. That's the greatest news. So wherever they may be, they are trying to help our own students in different ways, either for the employment or for the communication or for anything. And Mr. Bhupati is actively in contact with us. I am happy that he will, and whatever the progress with us, and I will share with him, and he is also trying to send some students to take admission in our college. Like not only Bhupati, there are several students, but the names I am telling you, several names are like this. And one more important news from this academic year onwards, we have given free concessions to the students, alumni students, to own brothers and sisters. Those who join in our college, suppose if their brother or sister is studying here in our college, we are giving concession to them. This is the first time we have introduced in our college. So I am trying to contribute for alumni association, but I am not asking anyone to contribute. So we are giving concession from this year onwards, and because I have seen that majority of students, majority of alumni members here, their own brothers and sisters, they have also studied here. At that time we don't have that provision, but today we have that provision. Those students who have gone are already long back they studied in our college, suppose their own brothers and sisters, if they again come back to our college, sure that we will try to give some concession to them. That is a fixed, a fixed concession is there for them. Next. I am happy one boy is singing song. It's most emotional, really. They are praising all about our institution. So majority of the students, I know that they are very happy with our college atmosphere and college, and after looking all these things, and whenever you want any help for me, you can contact me, because everybody knows I have a number, permanent number is there. We are not going to change number like you, because majority, whenever we try with you again next year, I think same number may not be with you. But majority of the students, they are trying to change their number, but my number is permanent, and everybody knows, because we have already, every time, whenever the meetings are there, we have given the dictation. That number is permanent. Wherever I may be, either I may be US or any other country, you can just contact with that number. We try to help you in any case if you need. Karnakar, I think is Mr. Karnakar. Yes, he excellently sings song. And whatever suggestion you gave just now, we are happy that we will sure will implement it. Only thing is that you have to come up and you have to work hard and you have to motivate other your own classmates, your friends, and you have to make them to join in our alumni without any contribution. So that is our free of cost. You can go through the website, you can directly register on that, so that we will do communication to every student, and we have a large number of gathering, here or anywhere, wherever you want, either in Hyderabad, which place may be convenient for you, even Hyderabad also, because majority of the students are working in Hyderabad, so we are ready to even organize meetings like this, and our college is going to, our urban association is going to host there. And that is also more important. I think some of the active members will be chosen now only, because our president will take care of that. And suppose if anybody there in Hyderabad, which after suppose they start, sure, and we have to start immediately from now onwards. So you have to be ready. Sure that are you ready? All of you? All of you ready? Yeah, very good. So voice is good, but no, I don't know but how implementation will be. So I am happy and thank you for all support from all the corners, like placements, placements, admissions, in all support. Suppose in communication, everything you are doing it. It's a great thing, and this is only the main important for us for the growth of our institution today. Earlier, for 91, 92, those students who joined at that time, after looking the building, they said they have gone back. So this is not good. But I don't know, but some of the students, they again said, no, this college is good. Then they are not worried about the building and they just came back and joined in the college. That's the situation every year. But I think today, we can see the buildings and buildings are good now. Similarly, everything is good now. Earlier it was not like that. I know first batch students know the way they have started their course in old building, where they don't have any proper slab also on that. The skins are there, and that skins also not covered in entire class, and still I remember that class. But all the students who joined on that day, today I am very, very proud of that. Mr. George Reddy was the first batch student I know. Still I remember, and he also contacted with me regularly, because he will be in Facebook, and he still remember about that in process on that day. But all the students who joined in particular room, where their classes, and all of them got success and doing very well. And that second batch, Mr. Shekaling, we are happy because this student who is with us now, he has several opportunities, has gone to US because he has done his MCA, and he is doing all work for the college. He has made his own efforts to to develop the software for our college. Today, all the softwares are now prepared by our Central Union, and that's the greatest use, because he is being our own student, and his degree is an BSc here, MCA, MTech also, and then he has done his PhD, and he has worked as a lecturer, and he is now working as a principal of engineering college, qualified principal. To have the qualified principal in engineering college is not so easy, you know that. But today we are very proud. Like that, there are several students in our college. Manoj and Mr. Sumo is also doing very well since the beginning, and she is now taking care of all admissions and doing wonderful job here in our college. And Vijay Bhaskar, Raju, all students those who are working with us, because first opportunity is given to our own students whenever the vacancies are arise. So we don't give opportunity to first preference is given to our own students. That's why today we are happy that Gopi, Rajeshwari, several students like that, Manu, everyone, Sridevi, these are all our own students and micro students. They joined in our college and they are now working hard and for everything, like developing the college and maintaining very well. And now have given the job to them to connect each student of their own classmates. I think they will be successful in future, and we will have such meetings, several meetings like this. And I'm happy those who have already gone from our college, still they remember. Mr. Arshad is there, still he remember and is coming back and he's taking Srinivas and other students. Sometimes I miss the names, I don't know, but don't forget, because first batch students are there, Sri Lakshmi, like that, only 4 students were there in our hostel at that time. I still remember those names, Amarpali, Sri Lakshmi and Madhavi, Komala. These 4 students were the first batch students, still I remember their names. Like that, every students, mostly, because at that time the number of students are very less, only 180 seats only at that time, but all 180 seats were filled only in our college, you know well. But since then, we have same record. We are happy that today in our college there are about 100 students, more than 100 students, those joined in our college, they have the 90% above marks. And more than 100 students, 102 or 104 students joined in this academic year. And among all these students joined in our college, they have 90% and above, and the number may be around 100 and 102 or something. So that is the achievement of our college. Earlier it was not like that. The first batch students, all of them are compartments, I still remember. But all of them are successful. That's the greatest news. But very few, 4 or 5 students were regular students and remaining all are compartment students. All of them are now, I am looking a very good position wherever I go. And I am happy for that. I am sure that you are going to communicate everything to all your friends, and we have such meetings regularly, because we have taken a lot of pains. You know that our colleagues and our friends and your own colleagues and your friends, they have taken a lot of pains to organize this party, this alumni meet, and we don't bother about all these things. We will have regular meetings like this. And I wish you all success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And please welcome one of the alumni who wants to talk, speak a few words.
Hello everyone. How are you all? Feeling happy? I'm very happy today because I just expected only my colleagues, my batchmates to come to this alumni, but I did not expect the old students and the first girl student coming over here to this alumni and making this a very happy, memorable day. So before I speak, let me introduce myself. I'm Shafi. I have done my Masters in Business Administration from this college in the batch 2010 to 12. And currently I'm working with one of the US company, FactSet Research Systems, and also working as an off-road soft skills trainer. And if you ask me about the college, I can say just simply the best. You know why? You can have a question that why it is best, Shafi. Yes, please tell something, attributes which you feel the best. The first thing is the major part, the management. Where the management, I would like to thank the lower level and middle level management for just making each and everything transparent, for the senior level management to take a decision with ease. Because in a management, when everything is being transparent, so there is no any contradiction or any conflicts coming in between, which because it is concerned with the students and it is an educational institution, so everything should be transparent. That is one of the important thing I want to speak on. So I really thank them because I have seen my HODs and each and every employee of Chaitanya College have been really been responsible with their job. And sometimes we tried very hard for us because we used to pay fines and we used to pay attendance fees and all. We used to think, why the hell is this? We used to pay 2,000, 3,000 fines, and the last when we paid fine, one student was crying, why I have paid me this much of fine. I just answered his question. It's just because to make you punctual, to make you disciplined, and just to manage your time. And it also realizes a student of his time management. And again, the fine being collected, not being in the, not is being recorded in any of the college accounts like that. It's being used for the students' welfare. You know that. And again, I just want to give small information for this old people, old students of this college, because you haven't seen this any kind of things in your time, but I just want to let you know that the college is being successfully running with very more innovations and innovative ideas being coming from different people and also from the management, and still I can feel, I have seen this building, I'm very happy because at that time it was only ground and we used to play cricket with that. I'm expecting another ground for our students. So all the alumni members, I thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak. Thank you.
So, one more important, once you come to this college, you have to feel that you are very proud of our institution. Because none of the institutions, they don't have such records. I can explain one or two examples. But this is the only college having the records. You can tell that being how you are proud about your Chaitanya. I can tell you one example. Do you know JNTU is one of the universities where they are sending the students to US or other countries. 1 year they are studying here, second year they are going to other countries. Same similar program is there in Chaitanya College. Do you know that? This is only college in entire Andhra Pradesh, excluding JNTU, we are sending our students to US. First batch, 5 students they joined last year. All of the 5 students they got the visa for 5 years. Now they have gone there and they are now doing well in second year. And after they will be the number 1. Then this year 14 students they got selected for the same program, and sure 100% of the students are going to get the visas. Because whatever the tie-up we have made in US, and all the universities there are state universities, not private universities. That is the only reason we are successful now in that. That's one record. You know that what the placement record in other colleges in Andhra Pradesh, do you have an idea? Suppose if you take the Geetam, you will find only 800 or 700 placements. But the number will be more, like thousands. But our college number is only 700 to 800 students. But among which last year we have placed 211 students. That the highest record among all the colleges of Andhra Pradesh. You can just see that. That's the highest record of Andhra Pradesh, because not only we have several companies last year, 36 companies they have visited our Chaitanya College. And out of 36 institutions now, those we have visited, and majority of the students were selected from Chaitanya College. Even if you take the Kids College here, which is largest one, long-standing, everybody knows about Kids. Everybody will prefer. Now how many MBA students got selected from Kids and how many MBA students got selected from Chaitanya? That's the record. Because the students, we run to the bed over, we call in the Chaitanya College, even if it's a course. But that is only success rate I am telling you. There are several successes like that. In entire Andhra Pradesh, do you know that how many colleges they have the autonomous status? There are 28 autonomous colleges are there in entire Andhra Pradesh. All of them are government funding and government colleges. This is only Chaitanya College having the private status and having the private college having the autonomous status. At the same time, Loyola, Siddhartha, all are established long back. But till today, they don't have autonomous status for PG courses. This is only Chaitanya College having the autonomous status in PG courses. That's the record of Chaitanya. This is the record of Chaitanya. Just think of it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we have a small felicitation program to the teachers who are working in our college since its inception. And in that, first let me call Mr. Benu Gopal, who worked as head department of mathematics at Chaitanya in his crown he has Best Teacher Award given by the state government, and I request first batch, or you can say Srinivas, Bhupati, Subhashini, who happens to be there, to felicitate Mr. Venugopal. Thank you sir for your services.